Going to perform an activity on acid-base indicator. For this activity, we have taken turmeric, detergent, a lemon and water. First of all, we will put some turmeric in water. The solution will become yellow. Then we will add the detergent powder, which is base in the water, and find that the solution has turned into dark red color. Then we will squeeze a lemon, which acts as an acid, into the same solution and find that the solution has turned into pale yellow color. This is the indication of presence of acid and base in the solution, where turmeric acts as indicator. And this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Thank you.